Hey guys, what's up? I'm Daniel and this is the Furry Vase again. So somebody suggested I should print the Furry Vase in a flexible material, making a super weird print even weirder. So I thought, hey, why not? Let's try out the new nGen Flex by colorFabb, and to be honest, initially I thought it was going to be a walk in the park, which it turned out not to be. So the problem I had initially, or maybe still have, is that while the vase geometry itself prints just flawless, that's no problem, but while doing the loops and the extruder is moving away from the vase, the filament didn't stick. So it only stuck on the way back, and I wanted to make the entire loop. So I thought that maybe over extruding would make the more plastic coming through the nozzle maybe would make it easier for the filament to stick to the vase while moving away, but it didn't. It even got to a point where the vase geometry got too high from the over extruding, and while the nozzle came back from the loop, it just wiped the nozzle over the vase geometry. So that was no good. So then I thought that maybe, because the vase I have published to Thingiverse is made for 0.2mm layer heights, and I thought that maybe if I did it for 0.3 instead, the more plastic, the thicker layers would make it easier to stick to the vase while doing the entire loop. And that did help a little. And then I started to lower this extrusion temperature to a point where I got this, and this is really nice. There are the full loops are done, and it feels just this is weird. This is totally weird, but the problem with this is that the temperature is too low. I went down to 240 degrees Celsius, and basically that's lower than the recommended extrusion temperatures, and so this thing started to crack. Like that. So I had to extrude at a high temperature for it to work, but I got this, and this thing holds together really well, but there are not, all loops are not complete, so it looks a bit messy, but it's as far as I've come right now. So yeah, it's been a fun experiment, and I didn't make it as far as I wanted to perhaps, but I think I'm leaving it at this, and somebody else can take it from here, I think. Anyhow, this thing is so weird and really fun. So if you have any flexible filament and you think that you'll be able to make it better than me, I definitely think you should do it. That's what experimenting is all about, I guess. Just try new things and see what happens. So that's it for this video, and yeah, I hope to see you in another video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and all that. If you don't, then don't. Yeah, that's it. See ya.